I feel like this is a reminder for the Virgos today. Be open. Please be open to the fact that there are things you don't know. Please be open to the fact that maybe all of the information you currently have isn't enough for you to know all the things you think you know. I know it sounds a little bit strange, and the reason I'm sharing this with you is because there's an opportunity in your life for you to move at a pace that allows you to raise vibration and rise into new levels. For example, it could be new levels on the work front, it could be new levels in your health, but there's something, it's almost like a breakthrough that occurs for you and takes you to that next level and then continues to take you to new levels. The thing that gets in the way of that breakthrough is you convince yourself quite often, as a Virgo in particular, that you already have all the answers, you already know everything, and you have enough information to prove that you have the answers. Sometimes the answers don't come from all the information that you gather. Sometimes there are, in fact, more than sometimes, there are true answers that sit in a space within you in your life that requires you to go quiet. And to go quiet means that you have to accept the fact that you don't know everything. And listen to the sound of quiet. And that is, I want to say, that's the portal to the space where true information and true decisions, true answers are there accessible to you.